Friday. And me and Desiree have a kayaking day today. A date. She's taking me on a date. A very romantic. Yes. We had a little hectic routine before getting in the car, but it's all said and done. I didn't know that I had to wear a swimsuit, so I had to go back and change, and then I forgot my SD card, so I saved the vlog. We're just trying to make sure if we're parked in the correct spot, because it's not like it looks like we're nowhere.
Yeah, it looks like awkward. It's like we're meeting for drugs or something.
Okay.
Okay, I don't want to lose these. Hell no. But these would look cute for the pic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'll put my wallet in your bag.
Yeah, that's fine. I have my wallet in here too.
And then
I don't think we're gonna buy anything on the lake though.
do you have the sunscreen and lotion in there?
Yeah. It's called the Paddle Shack in Austin, and we're gonna take a kayaking tour.
Real hot girl. S-H-I-T.
That's so cute. I think I want to get in one of those, the blue one.
Definitely the blue.
It goes with my outfit a little
You guys
bit.
could be on my tour, is that right? Oh, and Noelsville?
Yes.
So when you paddle with the right, it makes you kind of go left. When you paddle with the left, it kind of makes you go right. And you get the same way if you want to go backwards to kind of help you turn. Now the easiest way to turn.
Okay, so currently we're waiting on the tour guy. It's pretty cool. My first time kayaking. Looks dope. We haven't moved much. Okay, Desiree wants her water. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, hold on. Dude, like I don't want to get lost. Hold on. Alright, mission. Oh shit. Oh shit. How do I like, okay, this way.
There you go.
Put you in the back of me.
I'm dehydrated.
Teamwork. How you doing, Desiree?
Girl, it's hot as hell out here.
It is pretty hot.
That's the Texas heat for you.
Texas heat.
But it is beautiful. For real.
It is pretty beautiful. We are on Lady Bird Lake. The tour guide said that it used to be called Town Lake because it was the town of Austin. But the wife of Lyndon B. Johnson wanted it to stay called the Town Lake, and then soon after she died, like 2 years later, they didn't like keep her wish, so they just changed it to Lady Bird Lake. She didn't want that, but she did, so she can't say anything anymore. I like Lady Bird Lake.
That's way better.
I think it's like because of her, like Lady Bird, like
Yeah.
I don't know what the bird like stands for or whatever. Dude, you're so close.
I know.
I can't even paddle.
You want to shoot?
Not me. Cat's ass. You're doing it straight out there without me. Look at them, so cute. Wow, there's like, this is the picture right here. Let me do it real quick. Oh, don't hunch. Okay, got it. Dude, why are you turning? We're going that way.
I'm trying to get you away from me so we can turn.
Oh,
I'm
like,
gonna turn and I'm right here.
look,
Go ahead.
turn.
I'm gonna just back up like you did.
Oh, wait, take the picture.
Oh, okay, no.
Okay. The model life. It's not easy. I'm just kidding. Alright. I'm recording another fact. So this bridge that I'm about to pass by, it was built in 1992. It's a bat bridge because there's up to 2 million bats living there now. And peak season is in July, so we're just about to that time. Also, he said that the bats didn't come until like 2 years later, so 1994. The bats are pretty small. You can fit like 2 or 3 in your hand or in your hands. That's why there's so many. And he says they're pretty cute, but don't touch them because, you know, rabies and all those kinds of diseases. And lots of other cities started copying the bat bridge that is here in Austin. Because I'm like repeating everything he's saying. And yeah, lots of things I'm learning today actually. I mean, pretty cool tour. There's some in Houston, I think he said Waco, I don't know, but I heard Houston, so my ears went boop. And Dallas, he said there's Dallas. That the city of Austin makes like millions of dollars throughout the year, just giving tours under the bridge, boat tours, because people like are fascinated with these freaking bats. It's freaking bats.
It's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
Can you hear them? Look, 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 we're getting closer. You can hear them. Oh, I'm a little scared. I don't like bats. It looks so red. Ew, you can smell it.
That's good, huh?
No.
You had bat tacos?
No. Love this cute date with Desi Kim. Congratulations, Ruby.
Oh,
Your
no.
grad gift. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little tired. It does go fast. Oh, my neck. I think I'm gonna do this more often. I should probably, I mean, want to do this. I'm sure I got a tan. Oh, the sun, yes. Oh, that looks awesome. Love it. That's adorable.
Our kayaking tour is finished.
Yes.
And we are ready to go eat in Austin. Where are we finna eat? I don't know. Where we gonna eat at? Insert
Yeah,
clip.
it's soup. Insert clip right here.
Where are we about to eat it?
So we came to this beautiful place called Hula Hut, and it's outdoorsy. So beautiful. We gotta get the line. I'm dead. Quiet. We lost them. So today was a lovely day with Desiree. We came to Hula Hut and we ate a very lovely meal, and we're gonna seal it with a shot.
I'm not ouchie, but hey, it's the weekend.
It's the weekend.
And it's summer.
Let's do this. That was really hot. Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you so much, Desiree, for taking me out today. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Like, subscribe, and comment what you guys want to see next. Bye.